In this video, we will talk about how to reset matches on Tinder. First of all, open Tinder and go to your profile. On the top of your screen, tap on settings, then scroll all the way below and tap on delete account. At this stage, tap on delete my account. When it asks, are you sure you want to delete your account? Tap on I want a fresh start. Then tap on I want to reset my matches, and then tap on continue to account deletion. At this stage, you will find out that your whole account will be deleted, including messages, photos and matches. So the only way you can reset matches on Tinder is by deleting your profile and creating a new one. There is not another feature that allows you to reset matches, so you will have to delete your account and make a fresh start in order to reset matches and make a fresh journey on the dating platform.